There's something magical about Christmas windows. The glow of twinkling lights, the reflection of festive colors, and the cozy charm that shines from indoors to out. Whether you're dreaming of sparkling holiday silhouettes, soft-lit garlands, or cute festive stickers that make kids smile, the window becomes a frame for your Christmas story. Today, we'll transform those simple glass panes into stunning displays that bring the spirit of the season to life. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your cozy home for seasonal decorating inspiration. In today's video, we're exploring beautiful, creative, and simple Christmas window decorating ideas that will make your home shine from the inside out. From lights to garlands to cute festive accents, let's make your windows the highlight of your holiday decor. What are the best Christmas window decorating ideas to start with? Start with classic choices such as garlands, twinkle lights, or holiday window silhouettes. These foundational elements instantly set a festive tone and make your windows glow with warm Christmas charm. How can I decorate inside windows for Christmas? Use hanging ornaments, floating snowflakes, mini wreaths, or LED candles placed along the sill. Christmas decorations inside windows help create depth and visual interest, making your home look festive from every angle. What are simple Christmas window decor ideas for beginners? Try adhesive snowflakes, a strand of fairy lights, or easy window clings. Simple Christmas window decor ideas work beautifully for renters, busy decorators, or anyone looking for a clean and charming festive look. If you love easy ideas like these, give the video a like. It helps us bring you more simple holiday inspiration. What Christmas window lights ideas look best from the outside? Outline the window frame with warm white lights, hang cascading icicle lights, or place battery-operated candles on the sill. Christmas window lights create a beautiful outdoor glow that feels magical at night. What are cute Christmas window decorations for families? Use adorable holiday decals, gingerbread characters, Santa silhouettes, or little elf scenes. Cute Christmas window decorations are perfect for homes with kids and bring playfulness to your holiday display. Tell us in the comments, what theme would your kids love most? Santa, snowmen, or gingerbread? How can I style an elegant Christmas window? Stick to neutral tones, metallic ornaments, frosted garlands, and minimalist wreaths. Elegant Christmas window ideas shine through subtle sparkles, soft lighting, and coordinated color palettes. What are popular Xmas window decorations ideas this year? Trending looks include floating ornament strings, light-up stars, hanging baubles, and snow-dusted greenery. These Xmas window decoration ideas add a modern twist while staying cozy and festive. What are some creative ideas for decorating a window for Christmas? Try hanging ribbon-wrapped ornaments, creating a winter woodland scene, or suspending pine cones from invisible thread. Creative window decor turns your space into a piece of holiday art. If you love creative DIYs, check the Christmas DIY playlist in the description. How can I decorate my window using garlands? Drape garlands along the top, wrap them around the frame, or weave them together with LEDs. Garlands add depth, texture, and a natural Christmas feel to any window space. What are Christmas window decor ideas for small windows? Use mini wreaths, thin garlands, or a single vertical strand of lights. Small windows shine with compact decorations that don't overwhelm the space. How can I create a cozy holiday window look? Combine warm fairy lights, soft fabrics like faux fur or knitted stockings on the sill, and cozy candlelight. Cozy holiday window decorating ideas give your home that warm, storybook feel. What are affordable Christmas decoration ideas for windows? Dollar store garlands, printable window silhouettes, DIY snowflake cutouts, and inexpensive LED candles make stunning displays without big spending. Budget-friendly window decor ideas can be just as magical. What are classic holiday window decorating ideas? Go traditional with red bows, plaid ribbons, evergreen garlands, hanging ornaments, or a glowing candle centerpiece. These timeless looks complement nearly any holiday theme. What are winter-themed window decor ideas that work after Christmas? Use snowflakes, frosted berries, pine cones, white lights, or neutral winter wreaths. Winter window decorating ideas help your home stay gorgeous through January and even into February. If you love year-round seasonal decor, tap subscribe for more winter inspiration. How can I decorate my windows for a magical, glowing look? Combine layered lights, shimmering ornaments, and reflective decor, like metallic baubles. This creates a glowing, magical effect that looks stunning from inside and outside your home. Christmas windows are like little story frames, glowing with warmth, color, and creativity. Whether you love cute decorations, elegant minimalism, cozy winter charm, or bright holiday lights, there's a window decor style perfect for your home. Let these ideas guide you toward creating beautiful displays that bring joy to everyone who passes by. Enjoyed these window decorating ideas? Like and share to spread Christmas inspiration. Tell us your window theme this year. Elegant, cute, snowy, or classic? Explore the complete Christmas decor playlist in the description. Subscribe for weekly Christmas and winter decorating ideas. Check the description for mantle, porch, and tree decorating videos.